hopefully I won't get disturbed, because Raymond's under the assumption I'm asleep. He is. Now look, I managed to pick up this scarf. I loved it for the colour, but what I thought was, and I loved it for the texture, it's I don't know, I could blooming wear it, but I'm not a scarf person. But I just thought that will make fantastic flowers, so I'm going to have a go. I'm just going to, hang on, because I don't need that much, do I? Cut it down. It's quite long, you see. Quite long. How the hell did I manage to do that? Must be on a slope of some sort. Don't tell me, I'll go mad. I've cut a piece of this fabric, and then you cut it from where you're starting. Like if I was starting it there, you cut it diagonally, just cut that off. But then you stitch that end to that, starting at the ends. And it will twist as you're doing it. So I've already started, but I thought I'd turn the camera on and I didn't quite catch it. So you get that twist in it. And then you just do a running stitch. And look, so we've got that. So it's all twisted. Now, I'm just going to see whether I want to do it this way. I'm just trying it first. Oh, it makes a beautiful rose. Look at that. See? Not like a nice rose. Do I want to do that? Dunno. Dunno. Let me just see now. Right. You know when you just fancy a little bit of chocolate? Hubby bought me a flake. Right. I think what I'm going to do... Sorry, you're not supposed to talk when you're eating, but it's only chocolate, not food. I think I'm just going to fold that in, and I'm going to go that way with it. So I've gathered it, and I'm going to go that way, I think. Nice chocolate. So we just keep that flat there. I did this flower before, some will remember, And then everybody started making it. It is not my design, it is one that's been revived, I have to say. I will put a link to it if I can find it, to the original one, because I did it two-tone, I think. Oh, come on. I've left it on too long again, my glue gun. Right, like that. I just love these. And I just take a whole batch of those, fold them in half. Might need a couple of things like this. And then all you do is grab them and twist like that. So we'll do a few of those. I'll do 3 should do, I think. A couple more. Just fold them in half. And then I'm just going to take all 3. I think we'll do it together. I do them in single bunches because it's easier to handle. We'll poke them in the middle like that, and then we just close the flower up like that. Like that. Just squeeze the flower together. See, you've got these openings in the flower because the fabric is so loose. But then just do that with it. And there you go. You've got a nice flower. Like that. And I just love doing them. I like the way they twist. You know, each one twists. So I'm just going to give that a blast with the heat.